Make akara for your family. Wash your beans and soak overnight. Then blend it and use mortar to fluff it. Or you can use your whisk. This one. Fluff your akara with mortar. Sweet pass. Some people now will call it suffer head. But no, you don't do it every day. It's so satisfying. Time to fry. I'm gonna use my ice cream scoop. Mix. Flip.
I'm fluffing the akara.
You like it? This is how we do it. When we are growing, this is how we do it. We called it suffer head at that time, but trust me, it's so satisfying now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so satisfying.
All done. Look at that. If you want it crispy, you fry more. But you guys, this is crispy enough. And it's going to be soft in the inside. Let's go again. Look at how fluffy akara. Ah, this is so good. With enough onions. I love onions in my akara. In fact, generally I love onions. Not only in my akara. Not only in my akara. Custard and akara for my big family. Let's go. Let's go and serve my babies. Emma, are you gonna drink much?
Yeah.
Is this one okay? Favor, is this one okay?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Wiz, should I put more?
Which one's mine?
This one.